GTools has available a stunning 1.4-meter multi-functional rolling workbench which features a large 1.26-meter mega drawer at the top. This system is finished in 201 grade black tinted stainless steel fascia to drawers and has a black powder-coated frame. Perfect for those who are looking for a small footprint unit with class for your garage, workshop, hobby, or for many general purposes. This system has a thick and sturdy wooden benchtop and 9 heavy-duty lockable drawers to store your important tools and equipment. The 6-inch caster wheels make it easier to move around the workspace when needed, and the brakes lock it in position where required. The drawer sliders are rated to 45 kilograms using ball bearing sliders. The total width is 1,400 mm without the handles, and it is 485 mm deep. All of the drawers fully extend when opened, so accessing the rear of the drawer is easy. The locking system is quiet and strong. This is another high-quality product in the GTools range that will add value and reliability to your garage. Call GTools to secure one.